Nakalamaromda BJP MLA Samuel Jendai ngasi thadorakpa video amada mahak BJP thadoktuna atoppa party da yaunabagi firep hojik phawbagi leitri haina sengdorakli.
In today's local TV channel known as Elite TV channels as well as Tom TV channel, it is being circulated that I will be joining NPP today itself, which is totally against my will. Therefore, through this channel, I would like to request all the people to understand that it is not my own creation, it is not my own sweet will that what they predict of joining in the NPP. Therefore, let me be clear that I have not decided to enter into any political party as long as the list of the Bharatiya Janata Party has not been declared. So I would like to once again reiterate and request the TV channel to announce to the people of Manipur that I am still the Bharatiya Janata Party member.